all day in LA, heading out tonight at 6 p.m. But right now, I'm currently at G&B Coffee, one of the very fine coffee establishments here in Los Angeles. We are at the Grand Central Market and waiting on a cortado and a waffle that I probably shouldn't be eating, but I can't make up my mind and didn't know where else to eat, so getting food at the coffee shop. Thank you very much. This looks so beautiful. Always. Wow. Just got dropped off by our Lyft. We are here at Legion Park, Angels Point. Cannot see, we have downtown LA right behind us here. I'm gonna turn this camera off of video mode and go into some shooting. All right, here we go. This is the very last bit of LA that I will see. It's been great. It's treated me very well for the last few days. I don't know. I'm kind of excited to go to Flagstaff. All right, guys, we made it to Union Station. We still have about, I think, 2 hours till we should be in there, maybe an hour, hour and a half. Well, this is it right here. This is it. This is totally it. This room might look somewhat familiar. This is definitely like Scarecrow's, that big like trial. And then I think Catch Me If You Can as well, one of my other favorite movies.